In this video, I will show you how to make like this cartoon animation, the easiest one for beginner in Canva. So open Canva first, click on video, choose right now video landscape resolution, and after that go to element and search for speed line and click and go to videos and choose any video that you love to use. For me, I will use this one and I will flip it horizontal like this, and I will set it as a background like this. And right now I will go to element and search for fly and go to graphics, and I will search for example this Superman, and I will just make it like this and go right now to animate, and I will go and click on wiggle, and I will increase or decrease the intensity like this. And right now here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, leave a like, leave a subscribe. See you in another tutorial.